In this video, we're going to explore statistical account groups. Statistical account groups utilize the statistical journal entries in the system. To create one of these, you can just go up and click Add. And you can name it what you like. So I'll do this one as count of projects, just for our example. And then for structure type, you'll choose either statistical accounts or statistical category. And these coordinate just like normal accounts or category account groups work. So I'll go ahead and just choose statistical account so I can handpick my statistical account I want. For my example here, I'm doing a count of all the projects. So I'll do from account S1007, which is counting my GC projects, all the way down to my 1009. And I'll add all of those. Once I have that set, I can go ahead and save. This is now a statistical account group that I can use on any of my financial reports. For my example, though, I'm going to focus on these hours billable and hours non-billable account groups. In a different tab, I had built a report using them. So I'll go ahead and locate that report. Here we go. So this project hours report is what I had previously built, and I'll go ahead and click Edit. So on this report, I have my projects going down the left-hand side. And then I selected my hours billable for a column, my non-billable hours for a column, and then I added a cost of sales labor account just as I felt the cost of sales would be relevant for this report. If we go ahead and preview the report, we can see we can have two columns counting our hours, one for billable, one for non-billable. And then we have our cost of sales labor that we could drill into.